This is a recipe that I'm hoping to piss off the whole of Dublin with. It's a coddle. And it's not your traditional one, so just giving you a warning right off the top of it. Traditionally, a coddle would be a dish that uses up the leftovers from breakfast. So we're gonna go into a pan here first. We're gonna go in with some olive oil. And then we start off then with your sausages and bacon. So you fry these off in here. Traditionally, they would just boil the sausage whole, but I can't stand the fact of a sausage being actually naked. It's a bit weird. So we're gonna go straight in like this. And then just go in with the bacon as well. So you're just gonna remove out the bacon. And then we're just gonna continue to fry off the sausages until we get more color on them then. Okay, so once you get a bit of color, you don't want too much, just remove the sausages. Now, your next thing then is your onion. So we have one onion, and we're just gonna give him a quick slice. And then this goes straight in to the grease that comes off the bacon and sausage there. Okay, your next thing then is your carrots. So we've got either 2 big carrots or 3 small ones, sliced. So you just want to cut them into like little chunks. And there you go in. Okay. Get yourself a wooden spoon, give that a little stir, then turn down the heat a little bit. Now if you find that it dries up, just add some olive oil again into it, like that. And what we're doing is we're just coating the onion and the carrot in this. And again, the same, just do the same with the rest of your carrots. Okay, next up you've got your barley, so we're just gonna place this in. Then you have 2 really good sprigs of thyme in here. And straight back in with your sausage and bacon. Then you just fill up the pot with chicken stock and then tuck everything down. Now what you want to do is you want to leave this on like a medium heat, lid on it, and let that kind of simmer away. It normally takes about, I'd say, 10 minutes, and then we're going to transfer it to the oven. Okay, so after 10 minutes, you'll see that the stock will have reduced slightly. What we want to do now is get our potatoes here. So what you want to do is you want to get nice round slices of potato. Okay, next, come along to your saucepan and then place your potatoes around. So you can kind of arrange them whatever way you like. And we're going to turn this kind of into a hot pot. Now, next thing then is just a bit of butter as well. We want to get a nice color on them, so butter will always help this. So just place little pieces of butter in and around the potatoes. Finally, we're just going to hit it with a seasoning of sea salt over top, which helps it go lovely and crispy. This goes straight into the oven at 180 degrees, and it's going to take about 15-20 minutes. We want these to go lovely and golden. Just get a look at the color of the potatoes on top. They look absolutely gorgeous. Right, the only thing to do is to get yourself a good scoop and into a bowl. And you can see underneath then, you still have loads of juice. And then finish it. This is just simple, flat leaf parsley, quick rough chop over top. There you have it. Get your fork in there. Absolutely to die for. To die for. I hope you enjoyed that recipe, guys, and make sure you give it a go yourselves. Comment below your recipe suggestions, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notifications. You'll be notified every single Sunday when we upload a new video, and we'll see you all again next week. Cheers.